This Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. This car is made in a 1/18 scale by American Muscle Auto World Authentics. It's ERTL actually. So if you like those American muscle cars, especially Chevy muscle cars, see this video thoroughly. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave me your thumbs up at the end of the video and share it. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the Chevelle. It's unboxed and looks very nice in this black color and red interior. It really reminds that 1967 I've shown before. And as we take a look at this front, we can see very realistic grille with an SS badge in the center and fake air intakes on the SS hood. The grille mesh is very realistic as well as headlights. As we open the hood, we can take a look at the engine bay, and the engine is very nice looking 396 that used to develop 375 horsepower at the time. It's made in orange with chrome valve covers and chrome air filter top, and radiator hoses, radiator cap, radiator, and the other hoses, and cables and wires, battery wires and cables, spark plug wires, the engine bay itself, the other cables, distributor, brake system, hinges with springs are very realistic. The engine bay as a whole is very well made in this flat black color. The hood itself is also very realistic. As we can see, it closes correctly. There's no misalignment, no gaps at all. Windshield wipers and windshield are also very realistic. Antenna goes up and down. Wheels and tires and trim around the wheel well. 396 badge, tip of fender. And as we open the passenger door, that opens correctly just like in the real cars, we can see this very nice looking red interior with bucket seat, with the seat belts, with the buckles, the sun visors, central console, cushions, headliner with the light in the center, and the door closes correctly. It's really well adjusted. Trim around the windows, and the quarter panel with a Super Sport logo just like we saw in the 1967. Car looks very nice. The rear of a car with chrome bumper, license plate, and the tail lights with the trim with the Chevelle SS in the center. And as we open the trunk, we see this trunk lid, floor mat, the spare tire, hinges, instructions for the jack, the trunk lid itself, the factory stickers, the latch. So every single detail is well made, and trunk closes correctly as well. Dual exhaust and a gas tank. One more look at the wheels. They look very nice. And the driver's door, as we open it, we can see the steering wheel, the paddles, seats, the interior as a whole, and it looks really very nice. And the door closes correctly as well. There's no misalignment at all. And the bottom of the car is all made in black. Front suspension, rear suspension that work. Engine and tranny that look very realistic. A drive shaft that spins as we turn the rear wheels. The gas tank, the mufflers. Frame, it's a body and frame car. Floor, it's very realistic. So this is a very nice model car for American muscle car collection. So from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 10, not just because of the 1966 Chevelle, which is my favorite Chevelle of all times, but because of its quality. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about this video, about this car, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to click the bell for news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.